Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you guys how you guys can uh, make money with Pinterest and affiliate marketing. So if you guys doing affiliate marketing, if you have an online business, if you are doing something that you want to promote your product or services from Pinterest, this is the video for you that you guys can improve your knowledge about the marketplace for Pinterest accounts. So if you guys have Pinterest accounts, that's great. I'm going to just quickly going through. If you don't have, just sign up. It's free, and you don't need anything uh, about paying for ads or paying for anything at the start. So you just need to sign up. It's free, and get on the board, and then we will start just going to through the pins and how you guys can uh, you know uh, create a board for your Pinterest account, how you guys can create a marketplace for your pins, and when some people wants to click on your pins, they can direct coming to your website or blogs, and they can join your program or product that you are promoting. So you're just starting for from the first. What we're gonna do is just going to the settings, and once you get in the settings, you guys gonna set up your business account, your email, your language, the country, and the type of business that you want to uh, have in your Pinterest account. As you guys can see, business type is professional, the name of business, and everything that you need to provide for your Pinterest setting, the profile, pictures, and the topics, or about your Pinterest account and everything. And you guys can put your uh, website here, and once you did all the stuff, you guys can come back to the profile and see how your Pinterest account looks like. So this is the business account that I'm running. It's about affiliate marketing. If you guys want to join this, uh, you know, if you want to join my Pinterest account, you guys can follow me at Freedom Headset, and you guys can follow me. And I probably every week I have new pins about affiliate marketing and about online business and sort of things. So what you guys gonna do, what's gonna happen is when you create account, you go to search bar and looking for affiliate marketing. Okay, there's so many affiliate marketing tips, affiliate marketing for online business, or affiliate marketing. I just go for affiliate marketing. You guys can see there is so many pins in the about affiliate marketing. You guys simply just click on affiliate marketing pins and just save to your boards. So what you're gonna do is just, you guys, if you have a board, just clicking here, and there's 3 boards that I created for my account. So I just uh, save to my affiliate program board, and these pins going to my affiliate program board. And once the people click on my pins, I can redirect them to my website. And yeah, just go and just select whatever pins you like, and just save to your boards, and just uh, you know uh, see the people how they are reacting to your pins. So once I got to this board, for example, I want to make sure that I got these pins in my account, and what I'm gonna do, just recognize this pin, and I go to my affiliate program, and it's saved to my affiliate program. Okay, and I go back to my affiliate program board. Guys can see, this is the board, and I'm gonna find the pin that I already got in my account. So this is the board. So this is my board affiliate program. I have 24 pins at the moment, and then what I'm going to do is just recognize the pins that I saved. This is the pin that I saved from affiliate program, affiliate marketing, and this is in my board. Okay, so if I want to edit my pin, I can change it to another board. I can do so many other stuff, search about this and everything. And once you just get to this board, you want to make sure that your board is specifically about your about the topic that you are promoting. You can't just promote, for example, uh, Amazon affiliate marketing for your for your account, because affiliate marketing is different. If you have affiliate marketing from Amazon, your business have to be about Amazon. If you are promoting affiliate market, if you are promoting about the Shopify, you need to make sure that the pins that you are promoting is about the Shopify. And about YouTube, if you guys have promoting about YouTube, definitely you need to create a board about YouTube, and this kind of things is gonna help your business grow faster, and that's how you guys can get more pins to your account by promoting the specifically pins about your topic that you're promoting. As you guys can see, I can go and follow. So I got some followers, and I follow some people. This is how I following people. This is all the people that I'm following at the moment. This is my followers, and if I want to follow them back, I just go back and follow them. I follow because they already follow me, so I'm following them back. That's how you guys can make engagement with your audience, and the people that you are following, they follow you back, and that's how you guys can go into their accounts and see how they are promoting this stuff. For example, this girls here just promoting some other businesses. You guys can go and check out her website. It's about fashion and funny stuff, pets, everything. It all depends. If you want to promote the specific things about your Pinterest, you guys can see so many other example about their Pinterest account, like this girl just promoting for example about baby. He put all the baby's picture, baby's pin in one board, and once the people wants to follow this board, they knew exactly what is this board is about. They are promoting about birds. If you guys want to know about birds, just follow them. You will see so many pins, and you guys can get copy their pins and put in your board about the specifically niche that you are promoting. So that's how I promote my Pinterest account. I hope you guys get some benefit from this video and how you guys can promote your Pinterest account, and how you guys can get benefit from Pinterest if you want to promote about the business and the things that you are passionate about. That's very important that you know Pinterest account is one of the largest account for about specifically niche that he wants to promote. If you are have online business, if you are promoting fashion or promoting whatever have you in your mind, that's perfect. As I can just show you here, it's about 19 million people just visiting Pinterest accounts. It's so much impression in the Pinterest. So many people like Pinterest, and they go to check out the other Pinterest account, and that's how you guys can grow. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys get some benefit from this video, and if you guys new to this channel, recommend subscribe, and I definitely upload more videos about the Pinterest affiliate marketing and this kind of things. If you are interested, I have some affiliate program that you guys join. I put the link in the description. You guys can earn money very quickly from this affiliate program. It's for all for beginners, and if you want to know about affiliate marketing, YouTube, online business, I put in the link in the description. You guys can go and check out, and we will upload more videos, and I definitely upload more videos about how you guys can promote your pins with paid advertising with Pinterest and this kind of things. And for now, you just start for free. You don't need to pay for anything. It's just the things is just you need to start, and that's it. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.